Nice to see you too.
Okay, so first of all, now, Anya, can you introduce
Yes,
yourself?
I'm happy to you myself.
I would be happy to introduce you myself.
I could be happy to. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Anya Gupta. I am 6 years old. I am a student. I study in class first. My school name is Divya Public School, Shesht Vihar, and I have two sisters. One sister name is Chavijan, and next sister name is Aradhya Singhal. I have two brothers. One brother name is one brother name is Yuan, and second brother name is Pranshu. And my favorite color is pink. My favorite ice cream is strawberry go. My favorite fruit is orange. I also like banana and watermelon. And I become a doctor. And nice to meet you. Thank you.
Saksham, introduce yourself.
Yes, sir. Why not? Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Saksham Patwa. I am from Indore, Madhya Pradesh. I am a student. I am in 8th grade. My school name is Saint Mary Convent School, Indore. My hobbies are playing cricket and reading and singing. Nice to meet you, sir.
Hi, sir. Hi. Good evening, sir. Thank you for giving this opportunity for introducing myself. My name is Harsha. I am studying UKG. I am 5 years old. My hobbies are playing cricket and reading books and watching TV. My favorite food is pulhara. Nice to meet you. Thank you, sir.
Mike, let me explain you how you have to introduce yourself today. Today, I'm not saying you. If I say you, Anya, introduce yourself, then Anya will say, thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to introduce you myself. If I say like that, if I ask Saksham, can you introduce yourself? Saksham will say, yes, sir, why not? Of course, I would be happy to introduce you myself. मुझे अपने आप को आपसे इंट्रोड्यूस करके बड़ी प्रसन्नता होगी. In English, I would be happy to introduce you myself. Then, my name is, I am from, student, I read in, then it will go keep on going. This is one kind of conversation. What we are learning today, if I ask you, can you introduce yourself? Your answer will be, yes sir, why not? I would be happy to introduce you myself. I would be. Practice कर लीजिए इसको आनिया. Keep on practicing. Practice it. No need to on the mic. Practice without mic. I just want to see you are moving your lips or not. All the students practice it. Ishwar also practice it. Practice is very important. Off your
Yes, sir.
yeah, practice. Off your mic, just practice it. I would be happy.
No, sir. I learned very
Then
well.
also if you learn, then also once again off your mic and just move. I just wanted to see that you are practicing. I would be happy. Anya, speak. No need to mic on. No, just move your lips. I would be happy.
To be happy.
Off the mic, Anya. I would be happy. Raksham also. I would be
I would be happy.
off the mic. I will ask. I would be happy to introduce you myself. I would be happy to introduce you myself. My name is, I am from, then it will go systematically. Okay, if you have practiced, now let me ask from first of all Ishwar. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
wait. Uh, Ishwar,
Yes.
can you introduce yourself?
Yes, sir. Of course. Why not? I I would be happy to introduce you myself. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Shivas. I am from Delhi. My school name is St. John's School. I study in class first A. My father name is Mr. Rupak Kumar Patak. My mother name is Mrs. Gitanjali Patak. My small brother name is Master Vasalya Vas. Uh, mm, my hobby is play piano and play cricket. I like become IPS officer. Thank you.
Very good. Excellent job. Next is uh, Anurudh Singh.
Yes, sir.
Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, sir. Why not? Of course. I would be happy to introduce you myself. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Anurudh Singh. I am from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. I study
Okay,
in class first.
okay. Very good. Excellent job. Now, you no need to say after that, thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. Yes, sir, why not? Of course, I would be happy to introduce you myself. My name is, I am from. Then you can say like that. Then no need to say thank you, sir, for giving this opportunity. This is very important. Yeah, very nice, very nice. Harshvardhan, also make sure that you listen very carefully, and then Karab also try to listen, because listening is very important. 80% English language just can be learned while listening itself. Next is Saksham, also doing good job. Saksham, can you introduce yourself?
Yes, sir. Why not? Of course. I would be happy to introduce you myself.
Ah,
My name is Saksham Patwa. I am from Indore, Madhya Pradesh. My school name is Saint Mary Convent
not my
School,
school name.
Indore.
Wait. Not my school. My school name how? My name is Saksham. I'm from Indore, Madhya Pradesh. I'm a student.
Okay, sir.
स्टूडेंट बाद में
I am a student.
पहले आप करते क्या हैं?
I
आई एम अ स्टूडेंट.
I am a student. I read in 8th grade. My school name is Saint Mary Convent School, Indore. My hobbies are playing cricket and singing and reading books. Nice to meet you, sir.
आई लाइक टू आई वांट टू बिकम.
Yes, sir. I like to become a
Not like
businessman.
not like I want in future. I want to become. Destination
I
is
want
goal. Ambition. What is your ambition? What would you like to become?
I want to become I want to become a businessman.
I want to become a businessman. I want to become a successful businessman. I want to become a successful businessman. Nice to meet you, sir.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Yeah, nice to meet you too. You know how to speak it. Then we are going to learn it, the grammar, the rest of the things we will be learning later on. In the beginning, you should not be getting troubled simply without any reason. In the beginning, there is no need of getting any trouble to learn so many rules of grammar and getting confused and all. First of all, just learning the way of speaking English language. After that, learning the grammar rules, regulations, how this has to be done and all. Firstly, we should know how we communicate, how we speak. And that's what I'm giving you enough practice in this evening class. Students joining from different states, what a joy it is to see all of you after 2 days. So listen very carefully. Now today we are talking, maybe someone is coming there to you in your school, in your home, somewhere, and saying, okay, hi Raksham, can you introduce yourself? Yes, sir, why not? Of course, I would be happy to introduce you myself. I would be happy to introduce you myself. मुझे
I would
introduce करके बड़ी प्रसन्नता
I
होगी.
would be happy to introduce myself.
Visited. I visited your
I
place yesterday.
I am visited
Not I
I
am.
am visited
Not I am. Simple past. I went to market. I visited your place yesterday.
I visited your place yesterday.
I did not visit your place yesterday.
I did not visit I did not visit your place yesterday.
Did you visit?
Did you visit?
Did you visit to our school yesterday?
Did you visit did you visit school yesterday?
Did you visit to school?
Did you visit to school yesterday?
Yeah. Why did you not visit to our country?
Sir, sir,
Why did you
can you
not
repeat?
visit to our country?
Why did not you visit the
Why
country?
did you not? Why did you not? Why didn't you visit? Why did you not visit to our country?
Why did you not visit our country?
When will you visit in my place?
When you visit my place,
When will you, listen very carefully, when will you visit in my country? When will you visit in my city?
when will be you visit my country?
Listening very important. When will you visit in Indore?
When you when will you visit Indore?
Yeah, WH and helping verb. Carab, don't play. Yeah. When will you visit in my city?
When will you visit my city?
In my city.
In my city. Okay.
When will you visit at my place?
When you will you play when you visit my
When
place
you, when
on
you, when you, when you. When will you?
when will you
When will you visit
visit
place?
when will you visit my place?
At my place.
At my place.
When will you
When will you when you will visit at my
when
place?
will you when will you when will you visit at my place?
When when
When
will you
will
visit?
when will you बच्चे it's very difficult now है. Why it's happening very difficult? आप मेरे place में कब visit करोगे? When will you visit at my place? Yeah, Anirudh Singh, speak three forms of verb 20 first.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
Move, moved, moved. Come, came, come. Laugh, laughed, laughed. Go, went, gone.
Wait,
Eat,
he's laughing at me.
he is laughing at me.
He is not laughing at me.
Sir,
He is not laughing at me.
he, he is not laughing at me. But sir,
Hmm.
sir, I will make 6 sentences about it. He is laughing on me. He is not laughing on me. Is he laughing
No,
on me?
not on me, not on me. At you, at them. It can be anyone. Not like not memorization like that. He's laughing at you. Look at him. Why is he laughing at you?
He
Not
is laughing. He is laughing
at you.
He is laughing at you. He is not laughing at you. Is he laughing at you? Is he not laughing at you? Why is he laughing at you? Why is he not laughing at you?
All right, all right. Very good. Raksham is new student.
Raksham is new student. Raksham is not new student. Student. Is Raksham new student? Is Raksham not new student? Why Raksham is new student? Why Raksham is not new student?
Very good. Excellent.
Can I improve English?
Okay. First, you is your core skill that speaking English skill that that is speak and writing, listening.
Okay, okay.